If your TeamViewer ID is not showing, you won't be able to connect to your computer remotely. Yeah, this issue can happen when the service isn't running, the network isn't working properly, or the app isn't fully initialized. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you several easy fixes that usually solve the problem. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. TeamViewer needs an active internet connection to generate and display your device. ID. Try opening a browser and loading any website to confirm the connection is working. Next, restart the TeamViewer application. Sometimes the app fails to initialize properly, which prevents the ID from appearing. Just close the program completely, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. If the ID still isn't visible, try restarting the TeamViewer background service. This service is responsible for generating and managing your device ID. Another possible fix is updating TeamViewer to the latest version. Older versions may have bugs that prevent the ID from displaying correctly. If none of the previous steps work, try reinstalling the program. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files or configuration issues that stop the ID from loading. Finally, check your firewall or antivirus settings. If TeamViewer is blocked from accessing the network, it may fail to generate your ID, and that's it. One of these quick fixes usually restores your TeamViewer ID so you can start remote sessions again. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.